Brotherhood all day. Take care, guys. Was it Chuck in the shops? Gentlemen, have a good day. New York's bravest all day. Where's the other truck? In the shops?
Yeah, in the shops, it broke down.
Yeah, I got the. Hey, I'm on. I put YouTube videos for first responders, man. Yeah, I got a couple of you guys up on video, man. Freedom Guard, FDNY, all day, baby. I was auxiliary for 18 years, man. Went through 9/11. Survived the North Tower collapse, brother. I was out of 10 House, 207 and 294 for a little while. 18 floor, man. I love this, man. It's my family. I'll go all out for my family. Strength and honor all day, brother. You guys have a good day. God bless. You guys have a good day. God bless.